Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a shampoo extraction on some seats. The customer got some foundation on the seat and she wants to get it extracted. They've tried to clean it before, but unfortunately they didn't have any luck, so let's go. So this is the main stain. Got some makeup in the seat and on the bolster. So she wants to get that removed. Got some more here. The rest of the seats are pretty good. She just wants a quick do-over of those. Okay, after giving it a quick vacuum, we're going to spray it with some shampoo or some spot treatment. Okay, let it soak for a minute or two. Okay, normally I'd use a drill brush, but I'm going to show that you can use any type of brush. Let's give it a good scrub. Don't have to do too hard. Okay. Get your little brush and get into the seams. Make sure you do any place where you think it might have missed. Switch hands. Get along this area where the big stain was. Just agitate it nice. Okay, that should be it. when you're done, just give it a wipe down in a microfiber cloth. Dry up any excess water. And when you're doing the service, feel free to move the seat forward or backwards. Normally I'd lay the seat down, but unfortunately there's baby seat in there, so I can't lay it down to get into these little cracks down here. So you can move the seat forward and then kind of move it back as well if you need to. So yeah, and that's the seat, nice and clean. Okay, and last of all, make sure you dry up any of the mess that you made if you're not doing a full interior. Like this job, it's just seat shampoo, so make sure if you've leaked anywhere on the car that you give it a good clean. Otherwise the customer's not going to be too happy that you left residue everywhere. And yeah, that's the seat done. Alright guys, last step I like to do is get a clean bucket of water, put the hose in the bucket and turn on the machine. Okay, that'll put clean water into the machine and clean it out for you. Now the water coming through is nice and clean. Alright guys, all done. The makeup all came out and the seats turned out awesome. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks. See you next time.